One of the things we have at KPMG is called a rapid value assessment. And what that does is it looks at your company via LinkedIn and other social media platforms and assesses, given these are the different people at these different job levels, this is what the general task to break down each job title into specific tasks that generally accompany that specific title. And this is potentially what your productivity gain would be, to your point, Hema, really focusing on what's the productivity gain. Also, quality is also very important. Are you improving the quality? So how do you see this evolving in the next 12 months? I heard you mention vibe coding.
Vibe coding is empowering, but very dangerous. And like all these solutions that are coming up need some guardrail. If you go to our platform, based on the ViNexus agentic services technology, we vibe coded a chatbot. And the chatbot basically just sits on top of our data, and you can ask it about any of the data that's on our platform. And so you can ask it like, how's the market doing today? How's the Mag 7 doing? And explain why Amazon is outperforming the market, and it will access all of that data. Allowing someone to vibe code, but within the constraints of the data that's available to the solution, is one approach to keeping people safe. We're still in the very, very early stages. We're all using ChatGPT day in, day out. I certainly am. It's making me more efficient, but we're a long way away from agents doing the jobs of portfolio managers and picking stocks. We're making them much more efficient at doing that, and certainly gathering information. There's a lot of excitement right now about artificial intelligence and essentially replacing the role of a portfolio manager. I think the likelihood of that at the moment is still quite low, because at the end of the day, if the AI starts making the same conclusions as the other AI at the other firm, then by definition, there's no alpha left. So there's definitely room for humans in the loop and humans to do their own thing. Another big trend I think we're going to see is agent to agent. So you'll have an agent that's perhaps working on behalf of a portfolio manager, and that agent will decide that it needs to go and do some deep research on behalf of the PM because maybe there's been an event. And that other agent might be much more specialized in that topic. It might have been trained on a small language model, and maybe it's an expert on some legal aspect of an industry, or maybe supply chain or something like that. So I think you're going to see a lot more of these complex workflows being built through Lego blocks. And that will, I think, make those solutions much more robust.